Today we'll learn how to predict things like future sales, inventory requirements, or consumer trends using Excel forecast sheet. When you create a forecast, Excel creates a new worksheet that contains both a table of the historical and predicted values and a chart that expresses this data. So, let's dive in. As analysts, we're frequently tasked with explaining past data and predicting future outcomes. Building a forecast can be invaluable for this purpose. Excel offers several methods for creating forecasts, but Forecast Sheet stands out as the most powerful and user-friendly option. Let's see it in action using housing stats data from the St. Louis branch of the Federal Reserve Bank from the year 2000 to 2024. I have already opened the exercise file. I have a link in the description so you can download the same file and follow along with me. For ease of use with Forecast Sheet, consider placing your values directly to the right of their dates as found with this datasheet. Click any data point. Now select Data, Forecast Sheet, and you're on your way. Before diving into this forecast, you've got some customization options. While Forecast Sheet is designed for ease of use, tapping into options lets you refine your forecasts, letting you alter the time horizon, adjust seasonality, and more. From the forecast end, you can change the date to end the forecast at this point. From the forecast start, you can pick a date for the forecast to begin. It's usually after the last historical point. Now, starting your forecast before the last historical point gives you a sense of the prediction accuracy as you can compare the forecasted series to the actual data. The confidence interval is the range surrounding each predicted value, in which 95% of future points are expected to fall, based on the forecast, with normal distribution. Seasonality is a number for the length or number of points of the seasonal pattern and is automatically detected. For example, in a yearly sales cycle with each point representing a month, the seasonality is 12. We won't dive deeper into these customization details here, but it's worth noting that Forecast Sheet employs exponential triple smoothing. This algorithm shines when data exhibits clear seasonality and trend patterns as found in many business datasets. When setting up your forecast, one customizable feature worth exploring is the choice between visualizing your data with a line or a column chart. By default, the tool presents your forecast in a line chart, which is effective for displaying trends and fluctuations in a clear, continuous flow. On the other hand, a column chart is here as well when the focus is on examining individual data points, offering a visual emphasis on specific values rather than the overarching trend. Once you've tailored your forecast presentation to your liking, hit Create. You'll notice your source data transforms into a table enriched with additional calculated columns, offering a detailed yet concise view of your forecasted data. In this resulting table, you'll find a forecast column accompanied by estimated lower and upper confidence bounds. These bounds form a confidence interval, which essentially indicates the level of uncertainty or variability in the predictions. The actual outcome is expected to fall somewhere between the lower and upper bounds. You'll also see these three values visualized in the chart. Now, Forecast Sheet is pretty cool, but is it really AI? The methods used lack the adaptability usually seen in AI algorithms, instead relying on the fixed formulas. That said, the tool's ability to generate complex forecasts, providing compelling visualizations, and identify potential data issues before model building brings it close to an AI application. If you are interested in learning more about financial formulas and business models, check out my Excel Financial Modeling and Business Analysis Masterclass course. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.